There's one thing that we all use regularly and that we all need: electricity. So I was thinking, why something that is so essential is so expensive and so harmful for our environment? And then I realized the question was, how can we make this less expensive and more environmentally friendly? And I think I have part of the solution. As you know, since crisis started, the price of electricity has risen, and it will continue rising. Also, as we are in the technology age, each day we need a higher amount of electricity to develop our daily lives. The explanation of my idea starts with an easy question. Do you usually go to the gym?
Yeah.
And I'm sure most people's answer is yes, they do. So, one person on a static bicycle produces 150 watts of energy. So why don't we use this energy? Right now, millions of people are out there producing energy which is not used, but we can do something. I discovered that if you connect a dynamo to these bicycles, the movement is transformed into electricity. And the mechanical energy is transformed into electric energy. It will be more or less like this. I made an investigation, and I found out that 100 people doing 6 hours on the gym produce 90 watts of energy, 150 watts of energy. So why don't we use this energy? But I will go further. 100 people doing 6 hours during a year will produce 32,000 watts of energy. This is the quantity of energy that 10,000 houses need during one day. So we will be having 10,000 houses lit up just by the use of energy that we already have, pedal power. The electricity produced would be connected to the power, and it would make all the price of electricity cheaper. So you will be thinking, the problem of this idea must be the price of the dynamo. But it's not. There's not an exact price of how much a dynamo costs, because this project hasn't been done. But a dynamo for a personal bicycle costs $380, or what is the same, 270 euros. But not only talking about money, this idea has lots of advantages. Society's biggest problem is money, but look around us. Our environment is getting worse day by day, but we can do something. As you know, the way of obtaining energy is polluting, and it can be dangerous. For example, thermal energy is produced by burning materials. This releases CO2 to the atmosphere, and if we continue like this, the sky is going to become gray. Also, some cities such as Fukushima have experienced the problems of an accident or a nuclear bomb. Radiation has already spread all over the country. But this invention can not only be applied to the spin bicycles, but also to all the gym equipment, such as treadmills or workout machines, or even in the floor. There's a material that produces electricity when you walk through it. We could put this on the floor during dancing classes, and it will make electricity. We have the solution for all these problems. Firstly, this energy is 10% clean. Secondly, it doesn't consume fossil fuels which are going to run out. And above all, it can be achieved by any country in the world. This invention consists of obtaining safe energy, green energy, by the use of the gyms. This is a small step for our city, but a huge leap for the world. Thank you.